Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the GoveeLife H8120 Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro. I've looked through the internet, compared it with competing Nugget ice makers, and checked customer feedback to help you decide whether it's actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest reasons people buy this machine is the Nugget ice itself. Unlike traditional hard cubes, Nugget ice is softer, chewable, and absorbs the flavor of your drink while still keeping it cold. It's the type of ice you usually find at restaurants, cafes, and convenience stores, and many people simply prefer it over standard cubes. Performance is one of the strongest features of the H8120. Thanks to its high-efficiency compressor and advanced thermal exchange system, it can begin producing fresh nugget ice in as little as 6 minutes. That means you don't have to wait long when guests arrive unexpectedly or when you simply want a cold drink after work. Production capacity is equally impressive. The machine can produce up to 60 pounds of ice per day, making it suitable for large families, home bars, parties, outdoor gatherings, and even small office environments. GoveeLife also uses a dual water tank designed consisting of a 2.2-liter internal tank and an additional 4.9-liter external tank. Together, they allow the machine to produce more than 15 pounds of ice before needing a refill, reducing interruptions during heavy use. Another feature that really stands out is how quiet the machine operates. Portable ice makers are often criticized for being noisy, but the H8120 is rated at only around 40 decibels. GoveeLife achieves this through its AI NoiseGuard technology, which actively monitors operating sounds and reduces unwanted evaporator noise. Whether you're watching television, working from home, or sleeping nearby, the low operating noise makes a noticeable difference. This is also a genuinely smart appliance. Using the GoveeLife app, you can monitor ice production, start or stop the machine remotely, schedule ice production before you get home, and receive maintenance reminders directly on your phone. It also supports voice control through compatible smart assistants, allowing you to manage the machine without touching the controls. Maintenance has also been made much easier. The H8120 includes 2 separate self-cleaning modes. A quick 10-minute cycle keeps the system fresh for everyday use, while a deeper 30-minute descaling mode helps remove mineral buildup over time. This not only keeps the ice tasting better, but also helps extend the lifespan of the machine with very little effort from the user. Build quality appears solid as well. According to GoveeLife, the unit has undergone durability testing with over 100,000 operating cycles, giving confidence that it's designed for long-term residential use. The large 3.5-pound ice basket also means you can store a generous amount of fresh ice before transferring it to your freezer if needed. The design is more premium than most countertop ice makers. A large 4.45-inch angled touchscreen makes operation simple and easy to read, while the customizable RGB lighting adds a unique visual touch that also indicates the machine's operating status. While the lighting isn't necessary for performance, it gives the appliance a modern look that fits well in contemporary kitchens or home bars. After looking through reviews across the internet, most owners praise the fast ice production, quiet operation, excellent nugget ice quality, and convenient smart controls. Many users mentioned that the dual water tanks reduce refilling, while others appreciate how easy the self-cleaning functions make regular maintenance. There are a few things to keep in mind. Like most countertop ice makers, this unit isn't a freezer, so the ice will slowly melt if left inside for long periods and will be recycled into new ice. It's also priced higher than basic ice makers, but much of that premium goes toward the smart features, quieter operation, and larger production capacity. So, should you buy the GoveeLife H8120 Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro? My answer is yes. If you love chewable nugget ice and want a fast, quiet, smart, and reliable countertop ice maker, this is one of the better options currently available. Overall, the GoveeLife H8120 combines rapid ice production, generous daily capacity, quiet performance, intelligent controls, and easy maintenance into a premium appliance that's well suited for everyday use and entertaining guests. If it fits your budget, I can confidently recommend buying it. Thanks for watching, and as always, Click the link below for the best price before making your final decision.